All right, what's up, everybody? Today we are running some conduit in a compressor room for these Kaiser compressors. 3/4 inch conduit and some Liquidite. We're mounting a SAM unit. This is the SAM unit. We're going to mock it up here. And then we're going to go ahead and hammer drill in, get ready to put in some redheads here. And then we're going to get this SAM unit up on the wall. That's where all the conduit's going to be running back to for communication between that unit and the compressors. Start bending some pipe here and make the first bend to go over to the two units to the left-hand side of the SAM for communication wire. And we're going to go ahead and start mounting this pipe up on the wall. Over here we are mounting this pipe going to the left. That's going to 90 over and then drop down some strut. Make a couple more bends here. Where's my level? Well, you're going to need one, sir. So let me offer you a nice level, because we got to make sure this is nice and neat and straight. So this is what we got so far up into this rain-tight coupling. We're going to install this piece of pipe here that 90s down onto the strut. That's going to hit these two units here. I'm going to go ahead and mount this to the strut with a one-hole strap and a self-tapper. So that's what we got so far. Then we're going to connect this Liquidite into this first machine. Go ahead and bend some more pipe. A lot of 90s, a lot of 90s. This is for the pipe traveling to the right for two compressors, as you can see there. It's a 3/4 inch EMT. We got that one in. Now we are coming back out of the bell box toward the next compressor. Go ahead and get this mounted up. We had to do a 3-point saddle over that bad boy. And I'm going to slide this Liquidite. And this is kind of what we're working with over here. 90s down in the bell box, back out. Then we're going to make a little strut tower here for this 400-gallon tank. Go ahead and drop the redheads in. Get the nuts on there. And then we're going to get ready to tighten these bad boys down. Then we got our spring nuts right here, which are going to go into the foot plate there. Make sure you tighten them bad boys up. And that's what it looks like. And then we're going to make our bends for this last piece of pipe that's going from the SAM unit to the 400-gallon tank for monitoring. Make sure it's level, no dog legs. Looks good from here. All right, then we're going to go ahead and get a strap on this piece of pipe. And it's going to come over this way and then 90 down. So this is what we got. Everything's dragged out. We got Liquidite entering from the bottom here. And then so this left pipe comes over, 90s over, 90s down into a bell box, which then another 3/4 inch EMT leaves there for the second, and that flex for that first machine. And then that 3/4 EMT comes to here, Liquidite into that machine. Then we got the one that comes up and over to that 400-gallon tank down the strut in the Liquidite. And then we have this last one that travels out to these two other machines into a bell box. Then this comes down 90s across into Liquidite, which enters back there. Come on over here, 90 down, and straight into this other unit.